Okay, so I just made a video and apparently it froze up at some point. It was an hour-long video. I was changing out the random number generator. Instead of using SRAM, I switched it over to use MT19937. So, yeah, it goes, maybe the first 10 minutes are good. As soon as I opened up a admin window, after that, it never shows anything except what was behind that. So I'm sitting here talking and kind of moving the cursor around, and you can't see what's going on because all it shows is File Explorer. So yeah, for 45 minutes you see nothing but me moving the cursor on File Explorer. So I'm going to show you what I did here. Let's go here and also. Let's see, get what is it, log? So here, okay, this is the one we did here. So yeah, replace SRAM with the MT 19937 engine. So quit that, get diff. So we're gonna do, let's see, that's the latest. So let's see, what is this one? You don't need to copy the whole thing. I think it's only up to a certain point, as long as it's different. Where's that at? I'm gonna do that with head there. Okay, so did that. So this is what I removed. It's showing you here what I removed. So on in the entity class, it was entity and I think world. So in entity, you see how I changed the health from rand 50 plus 7. What we did is I made a static function get random number in the game file, and that's what we're calling there. So I did that with all this, and then inside monster, you can see this whole thing where it was doing generating all its stats, plus it has a luck factor. So, and I changed it with these green ones. So then, let's see, monster, health level, offense. I don't remember adding those. That must have been from something else. Um, anyway, whatever. So we got that. Oh, it just shows what it was. Oh, I took it off private. That's what I did. Or I actually took private out, and then apparently everything moved up a notch or something. So what else did we have? Added get random. Um, Here it is here. So this was the original get random number, unsigned integer max. That was using SRAM. See right here. And I changed the signature to this. And instead of this one line, now it's these for the engine. Initialize game, we didn't need that anymore. What else? Didn't need the random number generator because SRAM, you got to have a seed for it. Didn't need that, didn't need it. Take it out there. Edit our signature here. And then world, the get tile at. See, I changed these here. This. Well, actually, I should have went back in there and deleted those, actually. So yeah, there's a whole lot of that. Cause see, I changed the screen width too to cache it. I put it in the class somewhere in here. And so now we don't have to call get screen width every time because I just cached it in that. But I think that was in the world class. I got to go back and do it to other ones too. But yeah, and that was it. So I ended up doing that. I'm gonna close this out. CPP. Go to world H. You can see here where I added screen width and screen height, class variables. And then we just set those. That way we don't have to call game instance every time. We call it one time, we cache those, and then we can use it throughout our class. I'll do that probably in entity and everywhere else that I need to. Entity. Well, let's go to game here. Okay, here's where I declared it static. Because what happened is at first I was using game instance pointer in the classes to access the random number, get random number function. But then I came to monster, and we're going to have a whole lot of monsters. We could have, 10, 15 monsters per cavern or something. I didn't want to have that whole game instance for every single one of those. I guess I could have put it in entity, but I really thought it would be better as a static function. This is a classic static behavior where it doesn't depend on any kind of class state, and that's just prime for being static. So that's what I did on that. That's really it. Let me see my constructor. Start initialize blah blah blah. Initialize game. I guess I didn't need it in that. But you saw it in world here. I cached them. Entity. Yeah, first I was going to add I was going to inject the game instance into the monster, just like in player. But then I started thinking there's going to be a lot of these monsters. So I didn't want to have to do that for every single one. And that was it. Unfortunately, the video screwed up. So you don't get to see all that. But spider, get off me. Mr. Spider was on me. Okay, so, and then we could go in here. See, here's the video. Let me actually play this for you. Let's see if it'll go. I'll show you what I mean. All right. Oh, somebody pulled in. There. Look at all that. Windows. Yeah, see. By now it's all froze on here. Can't tell what I'm doing. Here's where it starts freezing. I'm looking at the find function. N. We want line numbers with displayed lines. And what do we want here? Random number. Yeah. That. And then the path would be what? I wonder if I could just put current. Probably not. Actually, I better just type it out. Let's do C there. Work C. Now watch. It'll freeze up after this. Cause see, I get an access denied. Oh my god. And now we never go off the screen. See how down here? And you never see it, and you never do throughout the thing. More work you give the juniors. This looks like it's not even up here. So yeah. Anyway, so that is what happened to the original. And yeah. So that's it. That's what happened. We replaced all that. And let's run it. It still is. Where's caverns at? There. And then we run it, and there we go. We still generate random numbers. We still eat our food. Watch down here, we got 48. Ooh. Now we got 83. So, it's generating random stuff now, so. And it's doing it with a lot more randomness. Woohoo. So there we go. Let's cast our spell. There we go. There are no monsters. I gotta make it where there's at least one monster. Well, I guess you don't have to have a monster. Let's quit. Do it again. Show it. Monster. I guess that's all. We only get one monster on there. Do it again. I thought there could be up to 9 monsters. Oh, 1, 2. Okay, well, got 2 anyway. Anyway, so it's randomly generating everything. So there we go. Q. All right, that's it, guys. Sorry that I had to make this kind of video. But yeah, like, share, subscribe. Hopefully this won't happen again. I'll have to keep checking it or something as I'm making them. Make sure it's working correctly. I don't know if you could fix it on the fly, but anyway, we'll try. All right, so this is the one I'm going to post. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.